In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Shopify with Wix step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This is perfect if you already have products on Shopify and want to display or sell them on a Wix website without rebuilding everything from scratch. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to connect the two platforms using a Wix app and start importing your Shopify products easily. If you find this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to wix.com. Log in to your Wix account using the email and password connected to your website. Once you're logged in, make sure you're inside the Wix dashboard for the site where you want to integrate Shopify. This is important because apps are added on a per-site basis. Next, from your Wix dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Apps. This will take you to the section where you can manage existing apps or add new ones to your site. Once you're inside the Apps area, click on App Market. The Wix App Market is where you can find third-party tools that extend your site's functionality. Now, at the top of the App Market, you'll see a search bar. Click inside the search bar and type Shopify. Press Enter and wait for the results to load. You'll see several apps related to Shopify integration. From the search results, look for an app called Poky. Poky is a product importer that allows you to connect your Shopify store with your Wix site. Click on the Poky app to open its app page and review the details if you want. Once you're ready, click on the Add to Site button. Wix will now prompt you to confirm the installation. Review the permissions carefully, then click on Agree and Add to continue. This step allows Poky to connect with your Wix site so it can import products. After the app is added, you'll be redirected to the Poky setup screen. Here, you'll be asked to connect your Shopify store. Copy the link to your Shopify store and paste it into the required field inside the Poky app. Make sure the link is correct so the connection works properly. Once your Shopify link is pasted, look for the option to import products. Click on Import Product and allow the app a few moments to fetch your Shopify items. Depending on how many products you have, this process may take a little time. After the import is complete, your Shopify products will now appear inside your Wix store. From here, you can edit product details, adjust pricing, and customize how the products look on your Wix website. Make sure to preview your site and test everything before publishing. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Shopify with Wix and imported your products without needing any complex coding or manual setup. This is a great solution for anyone who wants to combine Shopify's powerful e-commerce features with Wix's easy website builder. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.